What do you think, kiddo? You're a silly girl. Yes, you are. You're a silly girl. Uh-huh. You're silly. Are you gonna roll over for us? Are you gonna roll over? I know you can. And she says, no way. I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna get pissed. Are you gonna roll over for us? No, maybe another time. Maybe another time, huh? You flirt. You're a total flirt. Yes, you are. Total flirt. Total flirt. Say bye-bye. Bye, everyone.